All you need to know about the APT3 hacking group. Advanced Persistent Threat 3 is a China-based threat group that researchers have attributed to China's Ministry of State Security. This group is responsible for the campaigns known as Operation Clandestine Fox, Operation Clandestine Wolf, and Operation Double Tap. As of June 2015, the group appears to have shifted from targeting primarily U.S. victims to primarily political organizations in Hong Kong. The hacking group is associated with the following hacking groups: Gothic Panda, Perpy, UPS Team, Buckeye, Threat Group 0110, TG0110. Subscribe to the CyberWarzone channel for more news, tips, tricks and downloads. Please use the comment section for any questions, feedback or video requests.